good. I got like
seriously right now.
Do I turn down the music? Oh!
We haven't figured out what to do about the talking yet.
What?
Talking to the
What about?
morning.
Oh. Here, you can slather that on thick.
Thick? Really? I thought it was a special gel.
It's very special. The special gel costs more.
This is cow gel.
It's Lubriderm. It's okay for people. Put a lot of it on.
A lot more?
Lather it.
More?
Lather it.
Why does it take so much?
Because I don't want any air between the probe and her skin. I want to have a...
But you have air in the belly button.
I'll deal with that. Okay. Thank you. This will be right there.
Can you hear something?
No, I just... Wow, I'm seeing a huge portal thing. It's like 5 millimeters wide. I see a hand.
Hi, baby.
Is the hand moving?
Yeah.
I'm just getting some bearings here. There's a heartbeat. Look at the heartbeat right there.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Look at that. It looks like a big stick.
A stick.
Yeah, it looks like it's sticking out.
Oh, that's the umbilicus.
Oh.
Yeah. Actually, no, that's a leg.
Really? Let me see it.
You see the white streak of bone in it. It's
Yeah.
not quite calcified. Now, I don't see what you're seeing, so as far as I know, he's moving. She's moving. Now let's see if we can see anything else.
I saw the umbilicus. And a little heart popping.
You still have a leg. That's the umbilical artery. You're right, yes, the umbilical artery. Oh, it's moving. He's moving over. Pretty much anybody can put this thing on. If you put the probe in here, you're going to see I'm looking at
Stop running away.
Why? Ground pepper.
I thought I brought pepper. This looks pretty good.
Everybody will have their turn at home.
Your mom's doing it now.
All right.
Do what?
Let's see. Oh, that's your Brussels sprout. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
You're playing doctor. Oh, hi, other kitty I've never seen before.
Look at his little hands. Aww.
gosh, that's so amazing. Hi, oh, I see little feet right there. Look at that. Uh-oh. I don't know if that's a foot.
So